Neutron stars are city-sized stellar objects with a mass about 1.4 times that of the Sun. Born from the explosive death of another larger stars, these tiny objects pack quite a punch. Let's take a look at what they are, how they form, and how they vary. How are neutron stars formed? Throughout much of their lives, stars maintain a delicate balancing act. Gravity tries to compress the star, while the star's internal pressure exerts an outward push. The outward pressure is caused by the nuclear fusion at the star's core. The fusion burning is the process by which the stars shine. In a supernova explosion, gravity suddenly and catastrophically gets the upper hand in the war it has been waging with the star's internal pressure for millions or billions of years. With its nuclear fuel exhausted and the outward pressure removed, gravity suddenly compresses the star inward. A shock wave travels to the core and rebounds, blowing the star apart. This whole process takes perhaps a couple of seconds. But gravity's victory is not yet complete. With most of the star blown into space, the core remains, which may only possess a couple of times the mass of our Sun. Gravity continues to compress it, to a point where the atoms become so compacted and so close together that electrons are violently thrust into their parent nuclei, combining with the protons to form neutrons. Thus the neutron star gets its name from its composition. What gravity has created is a super dense neutron-rich material called neutronium in a city-sized sphere. What are neutron stars? If the core of the star has enough mass, then the gravitational collapse will continue. A black hole will form instead of a neutron star. In terms of mass, the dividing line between neutron star and black hole is the subject of much debate. Astrophysicists refer to a kind of missing mass occurring between about 2 solar masses and 5 solar masses. Some expect that this mass bracket will eventually be found to be populated by ultra lightweight black holes. But until now, none have been found. The exact internal structure of neutron star is also the subject of much debate. Current thinking is that the star possesses a thin crust of iron, perhaps a mile or so thick. Under that, the composition is largely neutrons, taking various forms the further down in a neutron star they are. A neutron star does not generate any light or heat of its own after its formation. Its latent heat will gradually cool from an initial 600,000 degrees Kelvin, eventually ending its life as the cold, dead remnant of once glorious star. Because neutron stars are so dense, they have intense gravitational and magnetic fields. The gravity of a neutron star is about 1000 billion times stronger than that of Earth. Thus, the surface of neutron star is exceedingly smooth. Gravity does not permit anything tall to exist. Neutron stars are thought to have mountains, but they are only inches tall. How were the neutron stars discovered? Although neutron stars were long predicted in astrophysical theory, it wasn't until 1967 that the first was discovered as a pulsar by Dame Jocelyn Bell Burnell. Since then, hundreds more have been discovered, including the famous pulsar at the heart of the Crab Nebula, a supernova remnant seen to be explored by the Chinese in 1054. On a neutron star, intense magnetic field focuses radio waves into two beams firing into the space from its magnetic poles, much like the beam of a lighthouse. If the object is oriented just so with respect to Earth, so that these beams become visible from our earthly viewpoint, we see flashes of radio light at regular and extremely precise intervals. Neutron stars are in fact the celestial timekeepers of the cosmos, their accuracy revealing that of atomic clocks. Neutron stars rotate extremely and rapidly, and we can use the radio beams of a pulsar to measure just how fast. The fastest rotating neutron star rotates an incredible 760 times per second, which is about a quarter of the speed of light. Well, this was all about a neutron star. But have you wondered how does a supernova explosion takes place? Yes, that's our topic for another video.